Alright, so for this test we're going to be testing for phosphate levels in the water. Phosphate is a naturally occurring nutrient, but it can increase with human activity. So when you get to this station, you're going to take the bag and just unpack it. You'll find the phosphate directions, the testing kit, the waste container, gloves, and protective eyewear. So the first thing you want to do with your group is just read through the entire testing procedure. Then, after you read through that, you're going to open up your phosphate kits and take out the small sampling cup. You can remove the cap and take out the eyedropper. And then you'll choose someone in your group to wade out into the water and fill this sampling cup to 25 milliliters. Now, if you overfill it, that's okay. You can just dump a little bit out. But if possible, and if safe, wade out to where the water is moving fastest in the stream. All right, so after you have your sample cup filled to the 25 milliliter mark, you're gonna choose 1 to 2 people in your group to put on the protective equipment. From this point forward, only the people with the protective equipment should be handling the equipment. So the first thing you'll find is the activator solution with the black cap. We're going to carefully open that up and add 2 drops of the activator solution to your water sample cup. Place the cap back on, and then find the black cap. Place it over the sample, and then mix the contents thoroughly. Once it's thoroughly mixed, you're going to carefully extract 1 glass ampule from your kits. Be careful with these, they are glass and are breakable. You're going to carefully remove the black cap, and then you're going to insert this glass ampule at an angle into your container. And then you're going to angle it so that the tip is wedged in the side bottom of your sample container. And then you're going to carefully snap off the tip by pressing it against the side of the cup. And once that snaps off, this is going to fill with water, the exact amount that's needed for this procedure. At this point, you want to have another person in your group start your timer, and we're going to time it and let it sit for 2 full minutes. After waiting 2 minutes, you're going to compare your sample to the vials and tubes at the top of your kit. Now be careful when you're holding your ampule that you don't touch the tip because it might be a little sharp. But you're going to hold it against these and try to find the best color match. When your team finds the closest color match, you'll record that on your data sheet. After you found your color match, you're going to place the used ampule into the waste container.